today we're going to be looking at how to learn guitar. So the first instance we're going to learn how to navigate the strings and what the strings are going to be called, because each string has an individual name. Now a really easy way to learn this and remember this would be Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, by Eddie. I'll do that again. Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, by Eddie. So that is E, A, D, B, G and E. From this point on, you can either pause the video or we'll move on to the next part. If you pause the video and practice that a few times, you'll get it. So for the next part we're going to talk about fret navigation. So for fret navigation, you want to take either your left hand or your right hand, whatever hand is the hand that you don't write with, and put it on the fretboard. So just to practice this, I'm actually going to show you the song 7 Nation Army by the White Stripes. This song's really easy because it has a wee jump or two, but it's a really beginner song that can really help you learn and progress through learning the instrument. So to begin with, I would like you to take your hand off the guitar, then put your thumb at the back of it, bring your hand round and make sure that there's a gap in between the palm of your hand and the bridge of your guitar. From this point, we're going to take our index finger and we're going to go up to the 5th fret, so starting at 1, which would be this box, and we're going to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from there, we're going to go to the E, which is this top string member, and we're going to put our first finger there. Then we're going to play that twice. We're going to go 5, 5, and then we're going to move along to 8. So we now need to go from 5 to 8. So 5 to 8 is 3. So we go up 3. So 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we're going to go 5, 5, 8, and we're going to go back to 5, and then we're going to stop there. And then we're going to practice that over again. So when you go 5, 5, 8, 5, and now pause the video if you feel like you would like to practice that a bit more. We'll move on to the next bit. So the next part after that's 5, 5, 8, 5, 3, 1, 0. Okay? So this time we're going down from 5 to 3, and we're going to go 3, 1, 0. From this point on, we're going to move back up to the 5, and we're going to go 5, 5, 8, 5, 3, 1, 0. I would just like you to practice that over again just now, just so you get a wee kind of recollection for it.